those there? What are you working on?
Some coupons.
Oh. Are you looking for a certain one, or?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Don't know.
Those help us save money, don't they?
Yeah, they help us save money.
They're amazing. Do you like coupons?
I gotta shut the door on this.
I'm teaching you this stuff early, huh?
Mama.
Are you done? Are you done with your coupons? Are you done with your coupons? Are you through with your coupons? Are you through with your coupons?
Uh-uh.
Say bye.